In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your software stack in ClickUp. We'll start by opening your ClickUp account. Once you're in your workspace, the goal is to create a simple, dedicated home for every tool you rely on, so you can view your entire software stack at a glance and keep it tidy over time. Look for the plus icon and click it to create a new space. A space is a high-level container, perfect for keeping this topic separate from your other work. When the name field appears, type a clear title. I'm using software stack, so it's instantly obvious what lives inside. A clear name helps with search and keeps teammates aligned. If you see options for color or an icon, choose something memorable for quick visual recognition. Then click Create Space to finalize it. Once the space is added, open it and click the plus icon again, this time choosing List. Lists live inside a space and hold your actual items. Give the list a name that matches how you want to view your tools. You can keep it simple with all tools, or pick a name that hints at how you'll group information later, like by department or purpose. Enter the name and create the list. Now let's add your software. In this setup, each task represents one tool in your stack. Click Add Task, type the software name and press Enter. Repeat this for every tool you use: project management, communication, design, development, analytics, billing. Add each one as its own task so nothing gets missed. Keep names consistent. Using the official product name makes searching and sorting easier down the line. You can keep the structure lightweight. The task title alone is enough to get organized. If you prefer a touch more context, open any task and add a short note, like the primary use, the plan or license you're on, or the team that owns it. These are optional details and entirely based on your preference, so keep it as simple or as descriptive as you like. Everything here is customizable. You can rename the space, adjust the list title, or drag tasks to rearrange them in any order that makes sense to you. Alphabetical, by priority, or by category. If you decide you want more structure later, you can add fields, labels, or statuses when it suits your workflow. The beauty of this approach is that it starts clean and grows with your needs. That's it. You've created a dedicated space, added a list inside it, and captured your entire software stack as tasks. This straightforward setup keeps all your tools visible in one place and easy to maintain. Thanks for watching and enjoy staying organized in ClickUp.